Hi preps, can you please make sure that you've got a pencil and a piece of paper or a book? We're going to do some sound work together today. Right, so I'm going to put some letters. They're in a puzzle, remember, so it doesn't say a real word. Let's have a look. All right, I've got an a, p. Okay, I'm going to say the word map very slowly. Listen to what sound you can hear when my mouse is under this line. Map. What's the first sound in map? Is the first sound in map, which is the way we write This is the way we write Say as I drag it on the line. Okay, let's listen for the next sound. Map. What's the next sound in the word map? Is the next sound in the word map, which is the way we write the sound. This is the way we write the sound. Say as I drag it on the line. What's the last sound in the word map? P is the last sound. This is the way we write P. Let's say the sounds and read the word. P, map. Fantastic. Now let's put these up here and it's your turn to write the word map. Remember to say the sounds as you write them. P, map. Your turn to have a go. P. Okay, once you've said the sounds, can you read the word? P, map. Fantastic. All right, I'm going to put these letters back. Let's do another one together. Remember, this is not a real word yet. It's just like a puzzle. Okay, I'm going to say the word nap very slowly. What is the first sound you can hear when my mouse is on this line? Nap. Remember to tell me the sound, not the letter name. Is the first sound we can hear in the word nap. Everyone say which is the way we write This is the way we write Say the sound as I drag it on the line. All right, let's listen for the next sound. Nap. What's the next sound in the word nap? Is the next sound. Everyone say as I drag it on the line. What's the last sound we can hear in the word nap? P is the way this is the last sound. This is the way we write P. Okay, everyone, let's say the sounds and read the word. P, nap. Fantastic. Now it's your turn to write the word nap. Who can remember how to write the word nap? I want you to say the sounds as you write them. Nap. Once you've written the word nap, I want you to say the sounds and read the word. Nap. Fantastic. Let's do one more. Okay. All right, here's the puzzle. I'm going to say the word pot very slowly. What is the first sound you can hear in the word pot? Remember, tell me the sound, not the letter name. The first sound in the word pot is P. Which is the way we write P? This is the way we write the P. Okay, let's listen for the next sound. Pot. What's the next sound? Pot. The next sound is O. Which is the way we write the O sound. This is the way we write the O sound. As I drag the letter down, say the sound. We've got O. What's the last sound in the word pot? T is the last sound in the word pot. This is the way we write the T sound. Let's say the sounds together and read the word P, O, T, pot. Fantastic. Now it's your turn to write the word. Say the sounds as you write them. P, O, T, pot. Next, I'm going to put some words up for us to read. I want you to whisper the sounds quietly to yourself and listen for the word. Okay, so I'm going to put up a word. All right, say the sounds quietly to yourself. Listen for the word. We've got S, E, P, S, E, P, C, P, sip. The word is sip. Let's say the sounds and read the word. S, E, P, sip. Now it's your turn. I would like you to write the word sip on your piece of paper. Say the sounds as you write them. S, E, P, sip. Great. Are you ready for the next word? Let's say the sounds quietly and listen for the word P, E, N, P, E, N, P, N, P, N, P, E, N. The word is pin. Let's say the sounds and read the word together. P, E, N, pin. Now it's your turn to write the word pin on your piece of paper. Remember, say the sounds as you write them. P, E, N. Now we're going to play a sound swap game. I'm going to mix these letters up into a big puzzle. This won't read, this won't say a word. Okay, let's say the sounds first. Remember, I want to hear the sounds, not the letter name. So I've got T, O, A, S, M, N, E, P. Okay, let's get the lines back. All right, I'm going to make the first word, and the first word is S, A, T. We've got sat. Okay, I want you to change the word sat into the word eat. What sound do we need to take out? Sat, eat. We need to take out the ah sound. Let's put it back up here. So we had sat to eat. What sound do we need to add in? Listen for the sound when my mouse is over this line. Eat. We need the it sound. Let's put it down. Let's say the sounds and read the word. It, sit. Fantastic. We're going to change the word sit into the word pit. What do we need to take out? Sit, pit. I think we need to take out the sound. We're going to put in a pit, in a p sound. Let's say the sounds. P, it, pit. Great. Now we're going to change the word pit into the word pin. Pit, pin. What sound do we need to take out? Pit, pin. We're going to take out the t sound. Let's have another listen. What sound do we need to add in? Pit, pin. What sound do we need to add? We need to add the n sound. Let's drag it down. Can you say the sounds and read the word? P, I, N, pin. Great. Well done today, preps. I hope that you've had fun with lots of different spelling words. I'll see you very soon.